It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello my little cupcakes, and welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. On this video I'm going to show you how to make these delicious chocolate chip cookies. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to start off with about 2.5 cups flour, and I'm going to add to that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon baking powder, and that's our dry ingredients. We're going to mix that all up. Okay, and then we're going to put this aside because I'm going to show you the wet ingredients, what we got to do, and then we'll combine the two together. Okay, so it's either margarine or butter you can take softened, and it's 2/3 of that. Then we're going to take 2 cups of lightly packed brown sugar. All right, and we're going to mix all that together. Make sure you get all the lumps out as much as you can. To that, I'm going to add 2 eggs. As fresh as you can get would be more recommended. I'll add that together. And we're going to mix this all together. Who doesn't like chocolate chip cookies? Well, especially those who like sweets. Everybody likes that. So I thought I'd do a recipe because I think they're delicious. And I have other recipes in mind with this too after. Add the vanilla. Okay, that looks delicious. Smells really good too. Now we're going to add to that, I'm going to add the flour into this a little bit at a time to get it all mixed up really well. Okay, that's looking really good. So when it gets really nicely mixed, the next step I'm going to do is I like adding the chocolate chips, but I want to make sure all that brown sugar, all the baking powder, baking soda, all of it is combined. But the brown sugar has a bad habit of lumping up, so you want to make sure you get all that really nice and smooth. Okay, and now I'm going to add this delicious chocolate chip, which makes the cookie. That's about 1 cup of chocolate chips. Now you could put more chocolate chips, but what I was finding was it was way too much if I used a bigger amount. See, it still flies all over the place. So this worked out pretty good. This measurement. Now these should be nice and delicious when we're done. I'm gonna go do this, and we're gonna drop it with my ice cream scooper, which I like. Allow for spreading time, which is gonna spread. We're only going to show you a few. But I'm going to put these in the oven. I already got it preset to 375 the oven. Okay. I know they're going to spread into each other, so I want them to be nice sized cookie. Now of course you could use a smaller ice cream scoop, which I have, but I just thought this looks like it's going to be a nice size. So get this going. We'll do that, allowing room for spreadage. I'm just showing you for the video a few. I'm going to do this, finish them up tomorrow. So I'm going to pop this in the oven, and I'll get right back. So these cookies just came out of the oven. I had them at 375 for 8 minutes. Between 7 and 10 minutes is a good time for these. And they look delicious. I can't take a bite because they're too hot. So I hope you like this video. And if so, please give it a try. Share, like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you soon for now. Bye. Take care.